Hello everyone, this is Kathleen and I'm here today for another very fast video, a little technique that's very simple, and a lot of people do this, but I've had a request from one of my subscribers, Anu. I don't know if I'm saying that right, and I apologize if I'm not. She's from Mumbai, India, and asked me to show how I make the little decorative paper clips. I am still working in this journal and will do continue to decorate pages, but this is what she's talking about. She wanted to know how to make the paper clip with a little curled end, and so let me show you how to do that quick. Before I do that, I just want to let you know what is on my desk right at the moment. I finished up this steampunk book. This is going to go on Etsy, and I really love the way it's turned out, so I'll be doing a flip through of this one. I have another one that is sewn and also steampunk. The signatures are sewn and it's ready to be decorated. And then I am currently working in this one. It's kind of a feminine steampunk. And I just wanted to show you I did the Sari Silk ruffle video a day or two ago, and I just wanted to show you how these have turned out. I really like the way this one has turned out. I'll put some kind of a little charm on there. And then I have another one on this little page right here that has turned out really well as well. And then I have a third one on this little short flip, and really like the way these ruffles look. And if you are interested in learning how to make those, I did a tutorial on that just yesterday. So this one is almost finished, and then I will do a flip through of that and get it up on Etsy as well. But let me show you. In this journal, here is just a journal paper that is ready, to journal on. It's just pretty. It's very plain, and I just like to put these over the edge of the page and then put a fancy paper clip of some kind on it. And so that's what I'm going to show you how to do just right now. So what you need is really simple. You just need some round nose pliers and a paper clip. So let me do a small one first. I would recommend that you work on small ones in the beginning because they're much easier to bend. And all you do is, let's see, I need a dark. Let me just put this down and maybe that will help. You just need to separate and put your needle or your round nose pliers at the very end, and then all you do is grab it and twist it forward. Okay, so there you can see there's just the start of a little twist, and then you just continue that around until it is even against the edge. Hope you can see that. Right? So then you need to just kind of make sure that it's not poking up either above or below this part, so that it's straight, because otherwise if it does, it can be really rough against the paper, and you don't want to scratch and tear the paper as you put it on and off. So you can just leave it and have that be, as much as you do. You can add a tiny jump ring and a charm or something else on it. You can tie, some ribbon or whatever you might like to do, or you can just leave it plain. To do the other side is a little more difficult because it is inside, right? So you have to kind of move that out a little bit. And the small paper clips bend, and so that's not too hard to put it back. But then again, you just bring that forward and keep bringing it forward until it makes the loop. Okay, make sure that it's straight against the, and then you can bend it back. Right? So there you go. That's how simple that is. Okay, let's try a bigger one. The bigger ones are fun too, but they're just a little bit stiffer. So you just have to be a little stronger as you bend it around, and then be careful to get it smooth. See, this one is, you can kind of, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's kind of poking up. So I just will bend that back down and make sure that it's straight against this part. Okay, and then I'll bring this forward a little. And do the same thing. Now that one also needs to be straightened. And when it is smooth to the touch, then you know it'll be okay for the paper. Okay, so there you go. 2 pretty paper clips. Very simple. Thanks for being with me.